How you doing? It's No Wrench here. So, just wanted to do a quick little demonstration video of a like Star Wars style hologram filter I've been messing with recently. It looks like this.
There it is, and it sounds like this as well. So what I should really point out first of all is just I'm basing this off of a video I saw, like a tutorial video I saw a little while back by a YouTuber called Terrible Gaming with Terrible Gamer. The video is called OBS Hologram Effect Tutorial How-To Guide. Really useful, and it will, yeah, kind of get you there with the basic look of all of this. But I just wanted to show how the process is happening in Bikubot here. I'm currently using this with the bit creator part, so if it's anything over 45 bits, 4 May the 4th, 4 5 there, UK date format, I know. But you can use this in any of the other like trigger sections here, like timers or points. So first of all, we've got just a source visibility
Module here, which will hide, well, it just hides the webcam source briefly while it changes to the actual filter itself, and then we'll show it again after a short delay here. So one more time.
hide and then show again. At the same time, it will play a little 60-second sound bite of the sort of hologram ambient noise from Star Wars itself. A little pause module here again, and then you get to the main sort of meat of the actual effect itself. So we have the advanced mask here, which does the fade out at the bottom of the webcam source here. Color correction. We got got to make myself blue. A glow, obviously self-explanatory. Scan line is again self-explanatory to do the scan lines on myself. The spotlight is what's doing the flicker effect on me, quite interestingly. Now most of these are available with, I believe it's a shader filter on obsproject.com. You can look that up, and as I say, all of that's in the tutorial video I watched to get this hologram effect going. The only
Other
other
thing as well is just the audio filter here, which is just on my microphone. Now I'm actually using Omega Omega Ampworks Granifier by Neural DSP. I'll make this a bit bigger so you can see it. But it's a fairly basic setup on everything here. So this pedal is not even in use. The amp itself, all the EQ is flat. Gain is as low as it can go on the low setting, with the level quite high. First, the top voice master's like maxed out, depth and detail, as you can see there. I'm just going to activate the filter again, just so you can see it one more time.
or hear it one more time rather. Now, I found it's important to keep the gain pretty low on this, because if you start turning it up, apologies heaven users, it gets pretty intense. Same with this pedal here. It's I think it's a bit too abrasive. Um, the main thing that's treating the audio here is this EQ section. If you turn it off, it's maybe a little bit too like bassy, I thought, but turning it on will get that mid-range sort of radio effect without too much of the top end going on. Cab sim, I don't even remember what this was, but yeah, those are the settings for the cab sim. Turn the gate off, output, set it however you want to get the desired effect, and yeah, that's pretty much it for that.
Aside from that, once the filters are all done, then we've got a pause just for a little under a minute, just to let the audio play out, and then it will hide the source and then show it again without the filter on, and that's pretty much it. So yeah, thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let me know, and yeah, see you in another video. Bye.